latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Plastic pollution is one of the biggest threats to the world, and people across the world are the reason for it. Plastic pollution has been found in almost every corner of the world, including the remote Arctic Ocean. If we don't act now, based on recent research, the land and water bodies could be polluted with 1.3 billion metric tons of plastic by 2040. A new study has estimated that the amount of plastic pollution in the ocean could triple by 2040 if governments, businesses, and communities do not take action. A team of global experts reported the issue in a journal titled Evaluating Scenarios Toward Zero Plastic Pollution, which was published on July 23rd. Experts also came up with 8 geographic archetypes that represented the different ways places around the world manage their trash. For example, a high-income urban area would have a different trash management method than one that is low-income urban. The analysis examines 6 possible scenarios of fluctuating levels of intervention relating to the potential quantity of plastic in the ocean by 2040, with the aim of reducing plastic flow into marine environment by 80%. The report finds that there is no action to tackle marine plastic pollution, and it is seen clearly with the amount of plastic entering the oceans increasing every year. If nothing is done, the amount of plastic entering the ocean each year will grow from 11 million metric tons to 29 million tons by 2040, bringing the total amount of plastic in the sea to a cumulative total of 600 million tons. Even in the current situation, if serious measures are taken to reduce marine plastic pollution, only 7% of the amount of plastic can be avoided from entering ocean by 2040. This is an issue compounded by the outlook of billions of people lacking access to organized waste collection. To deal with the situation, the researchers have laid out 8 recommendations. Reducing growth in plastic production, substituting plastic with paper and compostable materials, increasing the share of economically recyclable plastic, doubling mechanical recycling capacity, expanding waste collection services, developing plastic to plastic conversion, building facilities for non-recyclable plastics, reducing plastic waste exports to developing countries. The ongoing pandemic has only made matters worse for the environment. Overall, plastic consumption has increased as people turn to single-use products to decrease the chances of virus transmission. Images of discarded face masks floating in the ocean have time and again surfaced on the internet ever since the pandemic took shape. However, even if all the measures recommended in the report are implemented, there will still be 5 million tons of plastic entering the ocean every year. The report states that radical increase in innovation and investment, technological advances, and new business models are needed to stem the flow of plastic into the oceans completely.